Premier equals premium, and man, are these loaded. Let's look inside right now. The interior of a Keystone Premier just screams comfort. First off, just in height, there's nearly 7 feet of interior height. And as far as temperature, you'll certainly be cozy. Every Premier gives you a 15,000 BTU ducted AC with available second 13,500 BTU AC for the bedroom, and a 30,000 BTU furnace to keep your toes comfy on those cool, crisp mornings. And let's not ignore the electric fireplace, which is found inside most of the Premier models. Pretty sweet, right? And just look at this furniture. Premiers come with either a U-shaped dinette or a trifold sofa for standard cushiness, and most have the option to replace those with theater seats that come complete with cup holders and storage. Most will also have more storage via the Store More system, deep drawers that you're going to discover in models with a booth dinette. The dinette has me thinking kitchen, and the Premier kitchen is totally modern. It includes Midnight Monterey stained hardwood cabinet doors with hidden hinges and full extension drawer guides, 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge with an 8 cubic foot gas electric fridge option. Microwave? Need I say more? Well, of course I should. Just look at this stainless steel sink with stainless steel roll-up cover and high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer. And the cooktop? Pretty nice as well. A 3-burner gas range and oven with flush mount glass cover and low-profile hood. Let's stroll into the bathroom. Here you'll find solid surface countertops with ultra-durable continuous edge. Got your vanity sink, full tub shower surround with built-in shelves and a skylight, plus a porcelain toilet. For that shower, FYI, as well as anything else needing hot water, every Premier comes with the Girard tankless water heater, so you can get your hot water faster. As we move into the bedroom, you may notice there's no carpet. Every Premier has bow floor flooring with woven flooring in the slide-outs. The bedroom is very well appointed with, at minimum, a full-size queen bed complete with LED reading lights, bedside USB and standard 110-volt outlets, and TV hookup. Oh, TV, yes. Entertainment in a Premier comes very easy. In the living area, you'll get an LED TV with entertainment system, including an AM/FM stereo with auxiliary and USB, plus Bluetooth capability and exterior speakers. Easy reception comes via the Keystone exclusive KeyTV multi-source signal controller. On the outside, the Premier continues to give you great features. You'll want to appreciate the LCI solid step with extra wide first step that really prevents stepping between stairs, which I gotta tell you is not fun. Plus, being bigger, it's also pet friendly. For keeping your Premier from rocking, you get an electric tongue jack, plus electric stabilizer jacks. Relax outdoors under the electric awning with adjustable arms and LED light strip. Convenience is found on the Premier's exterior with massive pass-through storage, with most models having 51 cubic feet of storage with 42-inch wide baggage stores having slam latch and magnetic catches. Oh, and look, right there, a handy pegboard is in the pass-through as well. You also get easy access to many of the necessary camp ports via the docking station. There's winterization, black tank flush, outside shower with hot and cold water, and water heater bypass. What else on the Premier exterior? Well, there's convenience thanks to the easily accessible spare tire. There's neatness with the Gigi Box. The Gigi Box, great feature. This is a weather-protected, labeled, and fused electric box to keep all those color-coded unified wires in a very neat bundle. Now, as far as batteries, you're going to get a dual battery rack to drop in 2 batteries, as well as a battery disconnect to extend the life of your batteries. Can I say batteries one more time? Why not? You can also opt for the pair of 100 amp hour Dragonfly lithium batteries. They can last an amazing amount of time, even longer using the sun. The sun? Well, heck yeah. Solar power comes standard with the SolarFlex 200 with solar inverter prep. You want more magnificent orb energy to use? The SolarFlex 400 system is an option, and a great one at that. You'll get excited for the Keystone Premier, and that's completely understandable. But you'll want to know how well they are constructed. Up top, you'll get a fully walkable roof with a one-piece TPO membrane. Down below, a Norco HSLA steel automotive deposition-coated frame assembled with huck bolts, plus a one-piece ABS enclosed underbelly with a 2-inch heating duct. In the middle, aluminum framed floor and walls with laminated sides, plus tough lock thermoplastic duct joiners and true fit slide construction. The Keystone Premier line has a wide range of floor plans and sizes, of course. For size, they're going to stretch from 24 up to 38 feet, and in weight, from around 5,000 to 8,000 pounds. So you are going to need a good size, well, let's say half ton at the least for your tow vehicle. Premier floor plans are mainly focused on the camping couple. The 23RB is an efficient rear bath model with a pair of linen closets, large living area slide out with an equally large U-dinette or luxury cinema recliners if you so choose. The bedroom is roomy and you'll get a very nice outdoor kitchen. The 23RB can sleep up to 4. The 26RB can sleep up to 5. You'll get opposing slide outs, a very large kitchen island, and a fireplace. The rear bath has a radius shower plus linen space. The 26RB also has an outdoor kitchen. The 25FK is for campers who love to cook. This front kitchen model has a ton of counter space, big pantry, and a large living area slide out across from the entertainment center with fireplace. The bedroom is huge with a king bed and a slide out and private entry from the exterior. All in all, the 25FK can sleep 5. The 30RI is a classic nod to the rear living floor plan. You'll find opposing slide outs, large kitchen island in the middle, and trifold against the rear wall. The bathroom is walk-through, and there's an outdoor beverage fridge, and the 30RI can sleep up to 5. Now, what about those premier bunkhouses? Let's check out the 33BK. This family-friendly model has a private bunk room with a slide-out and half bath that also has direct access via the exterior. There are opposing slide-outs in the living area as well as a kitchen island, and I gotta tell you, that angled entertainment center with the fireplace is pretty sweet. The 33BK can sleep up to 9. Who doesn't love some luxury to go with their camping, right? Well, to find your Premier, head on over to rv.campingworld.com, and as always, happy camping.